Welcome back. Now, Shopify does have elements that you can use along with your store in order to help you market your products and services. And to do that, you're going to go to Create Campaign. You're going to see a list of applications and integrations you can use with Shopify. And if you want to see how they are categorized, you can click on the individual tabs. So if you're looking for advertising-based applications, you'll see them here. Email-based applications, social post-based applications, and then SMS applications, which you'll need to connect yourself through the Shopify App Store. The one connected directly to Shopify is Shopify Email. So if you click this area, that's going to bring you into a different screen. Shopify will give you templates that will allow you to send email to your customers on the platform. You can then choose to select this platform. Your emails will allow you to personalize text. You can determine your subject. You can determine among your subscribers what you want to discuss with them. And you can add in various elements of your store so that individuals will be able to click on them. And when you click inside of the template, what you can do is you can add specific products to your email. And you will see them here in your email area. Now, each marketing campaign element has different parameters. For example, the marketing email campaign feature gives you limits on how many emails you can send using Shopify Email. And you can keep track of all of your campaigns in this one area. You can also use automations in your marketing. And what you would do is you would create an automation. And again, you're going to see different kinds of automation that you can work with from this wizard. You can also add on third-party applications to do specific kinds of marketing automation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.